Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today in this video we will learn about there and we will know use of there and about fifth use of there in this video. So we will learn completely. So let's see one by one. So first rule is or first use of there is here as an adverb. Okay, as an adverb. Adverb means location. First, there often indicates a place or position. Okay, there often indicates a place or position. For example, this book is over. This book is over there on the shelf. Okay, this book is over there on the shelf. So this example is indicating a place or position of book. Okay, so next, existence used to state that something exists or happens. Then we will use there, like there are many books in the library. There are many books in the library. So this is our second rule here about there. So existent means something exists or happens. For example, there are many books in the library. So there is indicate existence of book in the library. Okay, so you must remember this first rule. First about location, second is about existence. Location means anything, any place. Okay, place or position. Next, the existence about things or places. Okay, let's see next rule. Next rule is as a pronoun. You can use as a pronoun. Okay, you can use as a pronoun used in constructions where there is followed by a form of verb to be, like there is, there are, to introduce a noun. Our second rule is as a pronoun you can use there. Okay, used in construction where there is followed by a form of verb like to be or like to be, like there is or there was, to introduce a noun. So we can use there. For example, there is a cat on the roof. There is a cat on the roof. Okay, so to be form here, there is here. So introduce a noun. Noun is here cat. Cat is a noun here. So as an introduction of noun, or noun is cat here. So we can use there. There is a cat on the roof. Okay. In this sentence, this is called existential there as a point out that something exists. Okay. I hope you understand. This is very common use of there. So let's see our next rule. Our next rule is about as an expletive. As an expletive. Okay, so used to start sentence for emphasis or to introduce information. Okay, used to start sentence for emphasis or to introduce information, we can use there. For example, there is a good reason why we do this. There is a good reason why we do this. Okay, so introduction, introduce to you information, reason, for reason why we do this. So we can use there as a expletive. Okay, let's see next rule. Next rule is about as an interjection. As an interjection we can use there. Used to express feelings, especially comfort or encouragement or relief. Okay, used to express feelings, comfort, encouragement or relief. We can use there. Okay, there, don't cry. There, don't cry. Everything will be fine. Okay, everything will be fine. As a feeling, okay, crying is a feeling here, so everything will be fine as a feel here, feelings here. Okay, so we can use there. Okay, there, don't cry, everything will be fine as an interjection. Okay, we can use also. Let's see next rule. The next rule is like a phases. In phases we can use there, like here and there as a phrase here. Next, there is or there are. Okay, there are two phrases here. Here and there means indicating various places. Indicating various places, or here and there means indicating various places. We can use this phrase. For example, they searched here and there for the missing keys. They searched here and there for the missing keys. Okay, so here and there means various places, indicating various places. There is or there are, often used to start a sentence about existence. Okay, so we can use these phrases to start a sentence about existent anything. Okay, like there are a lots of options to consider. There are a lots of options to consider. Okay, so options consider means existence here of options. In this situation options are exists here, so we can use there, or there is there are phrases. I hope you guys understand these all 5 ways of there, like in phases, as an interjection, as an expletive, as a pronoun, as an adverb. Okay, so you must remember these uses, or you don't be confused about there, how to use there. So if you like the information, then like, share the video, and also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in the next video very soon.